I was working with first time ba to work with Jessie? Of course, si RC nakatrabaho mo na, di ba? First time with Jessie?
Yes, first time ko. Noong una kasi, iniisip ko lang, paano to, mabait ba kayo si Jessie? Siyempre, di ko alam, never, kilala ko siya, nakilala ko na siya, pero through introduction only. We never really got to talk. Hindi talaga kami magkakilala na malalim. So, I really didn't know what to expect. Pero at least, by the end of this project, I realized na mabait naman talaga si Jessie.
How do you compare yung character mo rito in real life?
In real life?
May pagkamaldita ka rin ba?
Ay, lahat tayo. May pagkamaldita, syempre. Kung there's always something that triggers that in everybody. Diba? Whether it's awayan yung pamilya mo or ibully ka. There are many triggers in life that bring out that side of us. Pero si Maldita kasi 24/7 siyang ganon, kaya iba talaga. Ako hindi naman ganon. Hindi naman always. Pero ayun, she's very impulsive. Siguro yun yung pinaka quality namin na pareho. Pareho kaming impulsive.
Anong dream wedding mo? Beach? Garden?
Buong buhay ko, parang gusto ko ng beach wedding. Pero